Traveling abroad. You don't need to learn every language to find first aid kits, thanks to a universal sign. The International Standards Organization created a worldwide standard, the Green Cross, a white cross on green, showing where first aid lives. First aid means immediate help for sudden illness or injury, a skill that saves lives and supports recovery everywhere you go. Remember the 3 Ps: preserve life, prevent deterioration, and promote recovery. All vital steps in First Aid's Superhero Toolkit. Accidents happen anywhere, so knowing the Green Cross sign helps you find first aid fast, keeping you safe on your travels. Better yet, learn first aid skills yourself. Book a course and be the hero your loved ones need wherever you roam.